Hi children, how are you all? Hope today will be your good day. Okay? Yes, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday and next day was tomorrow is Wednesday. Okay? How many days in a week children? Yes, there are 7 days. What are those? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Correct no? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಎದ್ದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಸ್ shall we start our class now yes today I will not take much time introducing all your good habits already you know so many times I revised you ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಟಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿವೈಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ you know how you have to behave with the society with your loved ones with your elders and all and also you all know how you have to maintain yourself these all are good things how you have to adopt in your life correct alla yes now shall we start our class yes yes as usual first the class will be the English. Yesterday we learned about the opposites. Opposites ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ what do you mean by opposites? They are of a different nature with each other ಅಲ್ಲ if I tell you right it will be the left the opposite of the right is left the opposite of the tall is short the opposite of the good is bad the opposite of the girl is boy the opposite of the color is fade the opposite of the black is white the opposite of the thin is fat the opposite of the big is small like that so many opposites we learn what do you mean by opposite they both things are different in different direction that is called a opposite words correct no today we are going to learn the what the places okay like in or under in or under ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು in ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು inside into like that on ಅಂದ್ರೆ up on ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ under the another meaning for under is like below down okay in ಅಂದ್ರೆ inside ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ in ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ into ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು into ಅಂತ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ on ಅಂದ್ರೆ up on or above above ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ on okay next is under ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ below down ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು so today I'm going to teach you in on and under okay I'll write one small picture for your reference from that we will try to learn how we can make a sentences using in on and the under okay I'll write one small okay these are not pebbles okay next is in. Okay, the pebbles are inside the bowl. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ inside the bowl. The pebbles are inside the bowl. Where is the cat? The cat upon the ladder. Upon ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು on the ladder. Ladder ಮೇಲೆ cat ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಪ್ಪಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. So the cat is upon the ladder. Next is where is the cycle? Cycle is under the tree. The cycle is under the tree. The cycle is under the tree. The pebbles are inside the bowl. The cat upon the ladder. The cycle is under the tree. Like this you can make some sentences using in or under. In or under ಅಂದ್ರೆ in ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. on ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಐ ಶೋ ಯು ಒನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. I will ask you, can you see the picture clearly, children? Yes. Can you see the clouds there? Clouds? Yes. Using that, we will make some sentences. Okay? I'll ask you questions. You see the picture and you have to answer me. Where is the butterfly? Where is the butterfly? Yes. The under the cycle. Where is the butterfly? Butterfly is under the cycle. Okay. Where is the aeroplane? Aeroplane, can you see a small air? Okay. Where is the cloud? Okay. Where is the cloud? The cloud is on the girl. Alva, a ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮೇಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಓಕೆ. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ? ದ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ cycle. Okay. Then on. Okay. Inside. Okay. Can we see inside? Okay. Anything inside here? Yes, you can see some flowers here. Where is the flowers? Inside the grass. The flowers inside the grass. Okay. The flowers, can you see the flowers here, children? Yes, these two flowers are inside the grass. Okay. Where is the cloud? Cloud is upon the girl. On the girl. Where is the butterfly? Butterfly under the cycle. Like this you can take one your own picture and you can do yourself how it will come in, on and the under. Understood, children? Yes. The homework is, please open your reading readiness book. The homework is reading readiness book, page number 47 and 48. Page number 47 and 48. What they given? The cat is on the bed. The eggs are in the nest. The dog is under the table. Okay. The cat is on the bed. The eggs are in the nest. The dog is under the table. Look at the picture and circle in, on, under, appropriate to fill the blanks. Okay. You have to see. The crow is dash the board. The boy is dash the tub. The boy is dash the tree. You have to circle there it will come in, on or under, and you have to write the answer also. And you have to move to next page, that is 48. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with in, on, under. The fish is dash the under. The squirrel is dash the board. The toy is dash the table. The bird is dash the cage. You have to write either in will come, or on will come, or under will come. You have to write the answer for the same thing. Please open your reading readiness book, page number 47 and 48, and you have to complete that page using in, on, and the under. Understood, children? Yes. Now we are moving to our next class, that is mathematics. That is our mathematics. Okay. Yesterday we learned what we learned in the mathematics. Okay. Yesterday we learned maths, skip counting, of tens. Correct, Anna? Skip counting of tens. We were learning the skip counting of tens. Okay, how you learned skip counting of 10 andre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 10 to 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 and 100. Okay, we will see how we can do the problem. Okay, one part you have to write next one, another one pot. pots here. In each pot there are 10 flowers. I'll count 1 or 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are there? Totally, we have to write the same thing below. Okay. 10 less is equal to how much? Okay. The answer should be in the box. Okay. How many are there? 10 less. Here how many are there? Actually what they are given is right like 1, 10, 20 like that. You have to count this place to this. How much here it should be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The second one is 20. This plus this. Okay. You do one thing. In the pot you write 10, 10, 10. Okay. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Like that. Plus 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 10, 10 and the 10. 3 times 10 that is equal to 30. So the answer is 30. How many are there? Totally there are 30 flowers. Okay, like this you have to finish your homework, children. Okay, how I have done here? 10 flowers ಇತ್ತು 10 ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಗೆ 10 ಫ್ಲವರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 20 ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 20 ಗೆ ನೀವು 10 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 30 ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಟೋಟಲಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊನೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ how will do 10 plus 10 10 plus 10 20 20 plus 10 30 ಆ ಥರ ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್. ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿನೆಸ್ ಬುಕ್, page number 83. Okay, page number 83. What they are given? Count by tens to find the total. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ 10 ಗೆ ಈ 10 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 20, 20 ಗೆ 10 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 30. ಆ ತರ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ 30 ಅಥವಾ 50, 80 ಆ ತರ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಟ್. Put your today's date, put your name, and then you have to finish it up your mathematics readiness book. Okay? Yes, now we will move to our next class, that is our EVS. What we were learning in the EVS, children? Can anyone tell to me? Yes? Okay, now we will start EVS. Children, today now we are going to learn in the EVS modes of transport. Correct? No, we were learning the same thing, no? Modes of transport. Okay, what do you mean by modes of transport? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ದು ವಿಧಗಳು, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 types of modes of transport. One is land transport, second one is what? Air transport, and the third one is water transport. Okay, there are 3 modes of transport. One is land transport, air transport, and the water transport. Okay, I'll show you some pictures. Okay, before that I'll tell you what is the meaning of the land transport. Land transport is a mode of transport where we will use the land for the transportation, like we will use the road to transport from one place to another place, that is called a land transport. Air transport is a means of transportation where we will use the airways to transport from one place to another place. Most of the time the air transport we will use to travel from one country to another country. This is the very expensive mode of transport, but the time consumption will be very less. Okay. Next is water transportation. Water transportation is a mode of transportation where we will use a water as a way to transport from one place to another place. For examples like water boats or sailboats, ships, these all are used for a water transportation. Most of the water transportation is used to transport the goods from one harbour to another harbour through the water. Okay children? See, I will show you some kind of pictures. From one by one we can see and we will bifurcate ourselves which transport it will come. Okay, the first one is sailboat. If this comes under which transport children? Can you see? The first one is sailboat. This will comes in a water transportation. Okay. I'll write here like land, water, then the air. Okay. Land, first one is sailboat. It comes under which mode of transportation? It's a water transportation. Okay, sailboat. Next one is truck. Truck comes under which transportation? Yes, it's a land. Trucks comes under land. Next one is glider. Glider is nothing but it looks like a which one? Helicopter only. Small transportation. Usually the glider is a private jet. Okay. The glider is a air transportation. Okay. Next one is car. Car is which transportation children? ಕಾರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ನೀರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀವಾ ಕಾರ್ನ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಕಾರು? ಇಲ್ಲ. The car will goes on land. So car comes under land transportation. Next is cargo truck. Cargo truck ಅಂದ್ರೆ most of the big items like big machineries and all, it will come in cargo truck. Okay, cargo truck is a which mode of transportation? Yes, that is also a land cargo. Okay, next one is aeroplane. Aeroplane is a mode of transportation where it will use in a air. Okay, aeroplane. Next one is your helicopter. Helicopter is a which mode of transportation? Yes, it's a air only. Okay, next is ship. Okay, ship is a which mode of transportation? Yes, you are right. It's a water. The last one is train engine or the train. You know, no train. Where the train will move? On a tracks. Correct. But track elli irutte? Neer ಒಳಗಡೆ track ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಏರಲ್ಲಿ track ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಾ? Train ಹೋಗೋ ತರ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. So it is a land transportation. Okay. It comes under train. Okay. So truck, car, cargo truck and train. It's a land transportation. On the water, sailboat and a ship. In the air, glider, aeroplane and helicopter. These all are some modes of transportation. You can learn too much of modes of transportation, what is that and how it will be used to us. How the person can travel from one place to another place using these things, and in transportation, the goods are transported, that you can search in a Google. Okay, the homework is as usual in your drawing book. Stick pictures of modes of the three transportation. You have to bifurcate land, water and air, and you have to stick the pictures in your drawing book. Okay children, I hope you understood today's class. Okay, before that another one homework is there in your EVS workbook. Is EVS workbook second homework. EVS workbook page number 70. There you have to write your name and the date. Cut the sticker of the vehicle that belongs to each group. Below they have given some pictures. You need to cut it and you have to paste it under a water, air or a land. For example, first if you cut the car picture, where it will come? It will come under a land. Like that you have to cut the picture and stick it in the upside the space what they are given. Understood children?